हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द आईएएस आईपीएस फैक्ट्री। हम कवर कर रहे हैं OWS फ्रॉम ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी। ये हमारा डेली जोस 3 है और OWS इससे पहले 200 तक के OWS हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं इन डेली डोज 1 एंड डेली डोज 2। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर डेली डोज 3। हमारा पहला OWS है बेनिफैक्टर। बेनिफैक्टर मीन्स होता है धन आदि से सहायता करने वाला। One who helps people by giving them money or other aid is called benefactor. Next is beneficiary. Beneficiary होता है लाभार्थी। A person who gains as a result of something is called beneficiary. Next is bereft. Bereft means वंचित होना। Deprived of or lacking of something is called bereft. Next is beverage. पेय पदार्थ। Any soft drink except water is called beverage. Bevy. Jhund. A group of girls, boys, birds, etc. is called bevy. Bibliography. संदर्भ ग्रंथ सूची, संदर्भित पुस्तकों की सूची। A list of the books referred to in a scholarly work is called bibliography. Bibliomania. Bibliomania किताबों के लिए पागलपन। Preoccupation with the acquisition and possession of books is called bibliomania. Bibliophile पुस्तक प्रेमी। A person who loves or collects books is called bibliophile. Bicentennial 200 सालों का 200th anniversary is called bicentennial. Biennial द्विवार्षिक a thing which happens every 2 years is called biennial. Bigot कट्टर व्यक्ति a person who is intolerant towards those holding different opinions, one who has narrow and prejudiced religious view is called bigot. Bilingual द्विभाषिक a person who can speak only 2 languages is called bilingual. Bimonthly द्विमासिक twice a month. Biodegradable प्राकृतिक तरीके से capable of being decomposed by biological agents especially bacteria is called biodegradable. Biography जीवनी a story of person's life written by somebody else is called biography. Biology जीव विज्ञान study of living organism is called biology. Biopsy जीवित ऊतकों की जांच is called biopsy. The removal of tissues from the body of somebody who is ill and its examination in order to find out more about the disease is called biopsy. Bizarre विचित्र very strange and unusual is called bizarre. Blasphemy ईश्वर की निंदा words uttered impulsively about God or the act of speaking irreverently about scared things is called blasphemy. Bleat मिमियाना भेड़ बकरी या बछड़ी की आवाज को क्या कहते हैं ब्लीट कहते हैं. The sound made by sheep is called bleat. बोर दक्षिण अफ्रीका डच या डचवंशी कहलाते हैं बोर. A person of South African Dutch descent is called Boer. Bohemian. Bohemian means रूढ़िमुक्त, one who does not follow the usual rules of social life and unconventional style of living is called Bohemian. Bombard बौछार करना. Subject someone to a continuous flow of questions, criticism or information is called bombard. Bombastic बड़े बड़े शब्दों वाला. Using high sounding words but with little meaning is called bombastic. Bonfire अलाव. Use fire for celebration is called bonfire. Bonsai उथले बर्तन में उगी झाड़ी का एक किस्म क्या कहलाता है bonsai. Dwarf variety of trees and shrubs growth in pots. Bonus अधिलाभ या पारितोषिक a sum of money added to a person's wages as a reward for good performance is called bonus. Bookworm किताबी कीड़ा या पुस्तक प्रेमी. An avid book reader or one who reads a lot is called bookworm. Boomerang एक किस्म का मुड़ा हुआ बाण जो फेंकने वाले के पास लौट आता है उसको कहलाते हैं boomerang. A hunting weapon which comes back used by Australian aborigines is called boomerang. borrow, उधार लेना, to take something on loan with the intention of returning it is called borrow. Botanist, वनस्पति विज्ञान, one who is well versed in the knowledge of plants is called botanist. Botany, वनस्पति विज्ञान, the scientific study of plants and their structure is called botany. Bottleneck, रास्ते का संकीर्ण भाग, a narrow and busy section of road where the traffic often gets slower and stops is called bottleneck. Boulevard, मुख्य मार्ग, a broad road bordered with trees is called boulevard. Bouquet, guldasta, an arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present is called bouquet. Borgias, मध्यम वर्गीय, belonging to middle class is called borgias. Boutique, वस्त्रालय, a small shop that sells fashionable clothes is called boutique. Bovine, गाय से संबंधित, affecting or reflecting to cows or cattle is called bovine. Bower, पेड़ों के नीचे का छायादार स्थान क्या कहलाता है? बोवर कहलाता है. A shady place under trees is called bower. Breach, नियम तोड़ना, an act of breaking or falling to observe a law is called breach. Brewery, शराब की भट्टी, a factory where beer is made is called brewery. Bridle, लगाम, leather strap put around a horse head to control is called bridle. Brigand, डाकू, member of a band of robbers is called brigand. Brittle, भंगुर, आसानी से टूटने योग्य, hard but easily broken, liable to break easily is called brittle. Brood, मादा पक्षी के सब बच्चे एक ही बार में दिए गए मादा पक्षी के सब बच्चे ब्रूड कहलाते हैं. The young of an animal cared for at once time, a family of young birds is called brood. Brunch, नाश्ता और खाने को साथ खाना क्या कहलाता है? ब्रंच. A meal that is usually taken late in the morning and that combines a late breakfast and an early lunch is called brunch. Brunette, गहरे भूरे बालों वाली स्त्री. A woman with dark brown hair is called brunette. Budgeting, budget, an itemized summary of estimated expense for a given period along with proposals for financing them is called budgeting. Bullion, सोने चांदी की ईट, gold and silver before using manufacturing ornaments is called bullion. Bundle, गट्ठा, a collection of sticks is called bundle. Bungalow, bangla या कोठी, a large single detached house with single or double story is called bungalow. Next is bungle, गड़बड़ करना. bungle means गड़बड़ करना. Carry out a task clumsily or incompetently is called bungle. Boy, पथ प्रदर्शन चिन्ह के रूप में लगाया गया पात्र कहलाता है boy. A floating container anchored to the sea bottom so used for directing ship and warning them of possible danger is called board. Bureaucracy, नौकरशाही, a government run by officials in a state is called bureaucracy. Burglar, सेंधमार, a person who enters a building illegally in order to steal is called burglar. Burrow, bill, hole excavated by an animal as dwelling is called burrow. Buzz, भिनभिनाहट, the sound made by bees is called buzz. Baire, गौशाला, place where cows are sheltered is called baire. Catch, गुप्त भंडार, a group of things that have been hidden in some place is called catch. Cacographer, अशुद्ध वर्तनी वाला, one who is bad in spellings is called cacographer. Cacophony, कोलाहल या कर्कश ध्वनि, harsh or discordant sound or loud, confusing, disagreeable sound or an incongruous or chaotic mixture is called cacophony. Next is cadaverous, सब की तरह, Completely lifeless or unresponsive is called cadaverous. Cadence, lay. Rhythmic follow of sound of words is called cadence. Calf, bachda. The young one of cow is called calf. Calligrapher, sulekhak. A person who is skilled at producing beautiful handwriting is called calligrapher. Calligraphy, sulekh. Art of beautiful handwriting is called calligraphy. Callous, कठोर या संवेदनाहीन. A man devoid of kind feeling and sympathy is called callous. Camouflage, छुप जाना. That which makes it difficult to recognize the presence or real nature of something is called camouflage. Cannibal, नरभक्षक. A person who eats human flesh is called cannibal. Canophilia, कुत्ते से प्यार. Love for dogs is called canophilia. Capitalist, पूंजीवादी. A person who has money specially invested in business is called capitalist. Caravan, काफिला या फिर कारवां. House of or shelter of a gypsy or a group of people, especially traders or pilgrims traveling together across a desert is called कारवां. Carcass या carcass, पशु शव. The dead body of an animal is called carcass. Cardinal, मुख्य, प्रधान. Something which is considered to be very important is called cardinal. Cardiologist, हृदय रोग विशेषज्ञ. A doctor who specializes in the study or treatment of heart disease is called cardiologist. Cardiology, हृदय विज्ञान. The study of the heart and its action and disease is called cardiology. Caricature, व्यंग्य चित्र. A picture of a person or a thing drawn in such a highly exaggerated manner as to cause laughter is called caricature. Carnage, नरसंहार. The war resulted in ruthless killing of many people is called carnage. Carnivorous, मांसभक्षी. Animals that eat meat is called carnivorous. Carol, ईसाइयों का भजन. Song which is sung in a church by a group of singers is called carol. Cartographer, मानचित्रकार. A person who draws or make maps is called cartographer. Cartography, मानचित्रकारी. The art of or process of drawing or making maps is called cartography. Cartoon, व्यंग्य चित्र. An amusing drawing about politics events in the news is called cartoon. Cascade, झरना. A fall of water from a great height is called cascade. Casino, जुआ खाना. A place where gambling games are played is called casino. Casserole, handi, एक तरह का बर्तन. A large deep pot used both in the oven and as a serving vessel is called casserole. Catalogue, सूची. A list or collection of books or informative graphics is called catalogue. Catalyst, उत्प्रेरक. A substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed by the reaction itself is called catalyst. Catastrophe, tabahi, an event causing great and sudden damage or suffering is called catastrophe. Catastrophic, vinashkari, causing great damage or suffering is called catastrophic. Caucus, ऐसी सभा जिसमें दल के सदस्य नेता चुनते हैं क्या कहलाती है caucus. A local meeting of party members to select candidates, elect convention delegates, etc. is called caucus. Cauldron, handi, handa या कड़ाही. A large deep metal pot used for cooking over open fire is called cauldron. Cavalry, घुड़सवार सेना. Soldiers who fight on horseback is called cavalry. Caw, कौवे की काव काव को कहते हैं caw. The sound of a crow is called caw. Ceasefire, युद्ध विराम. A time when enemies agrees to stop fighting is called ceasefire. Celibacy, brahmacharya. The state of being unmarried by choice is called celibacy. Cellar, तहखाना. Underground place for storing wine or other provisions is called cellar. Cemetery, Kabristan. A large burial ground is called cemetery. Centenarian, 100 वर्षों का. A person who is 100 years old or more is called centenarian. Centennial, शताब्दी, 100 सालों का. The 100th anniversary of an event is called centennial. Centrifugal, अपकेंद्रीय, केंद्र से दूर भागने की प्रवृत्ति कहती है सेंट्रीफ्यूगल. एनीथिंग टेंडिंग टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम सेंटर इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रीफ्यूगल. तो ये हमारे हो गए हैं 300 इडियम फ्रेजेस कंप्लीट. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 301 से करेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.